Open your chemistry book, page number 14. Okay. So what we do yesterday? Let's recall about metallic elements. Okay. So what are the properties of metallic elements? First property is luster, means they are shining. Okay. Second property is malleable, means they can be beaten into sheets. Malleable property is they can be beaten into sheets. उनको हम शीट्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो जिन एलिमेंट्स को, उनको हम मेटालिक एलिमेंट्स कहेंगे. थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज डक्टाइल. डक्टाइल मीन्स विच कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू वायर्स, जिनको हम वायर्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. दैट एलिमेंट्स आर आल्सो नोन एज मेटालिक एलिमेंट्स. एंड फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी इज गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Okay, so what are the four properties of metallic elements? First is luster. Tell me anyone. First property is luster. Second is malleable. Third is ductile. And fourth is good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. So when an element have these four properties, we call that element a metallic element. Okay. उस एलिमेंट को हम फिर क्या कहेंगे? मेटालिक एलिमेंट, जिनमें ये चार प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी. ओके. एंड व्हाट आर नेक्स्ट इज नॉन मेटालिक एलिमेंट. नॉन मेटालिक में क्या होता है? विच आर वेरी ऑपोजिट टू द मेटालिक एलिमेंट्स. मीन्स like metallic elements have luster, non-metallic elements have not have luster. Okay, उनमें शाइनिंग नहीं होती नॉन मेटालिक एलिमेंट्स में. ओके. metallic elements are malleable, means it can be beaten into sheets, but non-metallic elements are not malleable. non-metallic elements को हम थिन शीट्स में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. नॉन मेटालिक एलिमेंट्स को हम, ठीक है, थिन शीट्स में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. What are and third property is non-ductile. Non-ductile means we cannot convert them into wires. Non-metallic elements cannot be converted into wires. Okay. And fourth, good afternoon हो गया बेटा. And good poor conductor of heat and electricity. Fourth property is poor conductor of heat and electricity, means electricity cannot pass through the non-metallic elements like wood. ठीक है. Wood is an example of non-metallic element. Wood is an example of non. So sorry. So these are the four properties of non-metallic elements. Example is carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. Okay, these elements are non-metallic elements. Okay. So carbon, sulfur and phosphorus are non-metallic element, and properties are not have luster, not malleable, not ductile and poor conductor of heat and electricity. Means इन elements में electricity और heat pass नहीं कर सकती. ठीक है. Okay. So third is metalloids. Okay. So what are metalloids? Elements which show properties of both metals and non-metals. Elements which show properties of both metals and non-metals. So which have both properties, metals and non-metals. Like they are malleable, they are also malleable, they are also not malleable. Okay. Okay. So which show the properties of metallic and non-metallic element that are known as metalloids. Okay, means these are intermediate elements, not metal, not non-metal. Okay. These are intermediates, not metal, not non-metal. Okay, that are known as metalloids. So what is the definition of metalloids? Elements which show the properties of both metals and non-metals. Okay. Okay, let's recall what we do now. Tell me anyone about the metallic elements. About four properties of metallic elements. Jasmeet, you tell me. Properties of metallic elements. Okay. Now Mehak, you tell properties of non-metallic elements. Okay. And Gulfan, you tell me about the no, metalloids. What are metalloids? Gulfan, tell me about metalloids. Better, this pic is shown to you. See here, metalloids. Okay, Mehak, you tell me what are metalloids. What is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this line? Yes. हाँ, properties दोनों की होती हैं. They have properties of both metals and non-metals. Okay. Okay. So clear what are metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Okay. 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 So our next topic is noble gases. What are noble gases? Noble gases are unreactive inert elements. Unreactive inert elements means they are very less reactive, or means to say they are unreactive. They cannot react with any other element. Okay, the gases which cannot react with any other elements, okay, are called noble gases. Clear? Example is helium, neon, argon. The gases which are unreactive. Unreactive means which cannot react with other elements. Clear? Noble gases which are unreactive means which cannot react with other elements are called noble gases. Clear, beta? Okay. So tell me what are noble gases? Tell me about noble gases. ठीक है. Hello. So noble gases are unreactive inert elements. Okay. Noble gases are unreactive inert elements present in traces in air. Example helium, neon, and argon. Clear है? Example are helium, neon, and argon. Okay.